guys, good morning. It's around 7:30 now here. Ella is going to school soon. And Francine is there, awake. Frank is here. Where?
Good morning. Shit,
Take out your muta.
I have to sneeze, but it's not coming out.
Don't sneeze. It's not. You have no right. This belly fat here and my fatty face. We need to remove. Since we look back on our photos and clips, we are still thin that time. I mean, not fatty. So that means when we got married, he got fat here.
She's cooking all the time.
So I shouldn't. No, I should not stop cooking.
No, you should not stop cooking.
You should stop eating.
I should stop eating, or eat when I think it's okay, but not every day. Like 3 times cooking, and I eat 3 times.
No, me I eat 3 times with the kids, but you eat 1 time only, and
that's like I did before.
Yeah, that's why you're
once
thin.
a day, maybe.
Yeah, but you drink too much of milk also.
Yeah, but that's not it then.
The milk.
I had the milk before.
So the milk is not making you fat?
No, not really, because I had the milk before. And since I don't eat many vegetables, so I should have some sort of...
No, you should have vegetables.
Yeah, yeah, but when I was alone, I was
not
eating vegetables that much.
Don't get, how do you call that? And we are eating here yummy lechon.
You should not get depressed when you eat.
Yeah.
When you eat my favorite.
Yeah, I mean, when I'm eating lechon here, he should not join us. Nah?
Lechon is... what is it?
Don't be rude.
Roasted.
Don't be rude.
Pork.
You're so rude. Lechon is the... He knows lechon because of the you're so rude. Yeah? That's when you knew about lechon, right?
That roasted pig.
Yeah, it's a roasted pig, but on ours it's a boneless.
It's on the,
in Philippines,
on the pieces.
Yeah, in Philippines we have it with the head and the...
Yeah,
feet.
Completely. And I don't like that, of course.
Yeah, but you still eat it without seeing it all part.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have.
Jesus Christ! It's a ghost.
You're going to school soon. Fix your hair. She's going to school, guys.
Your hair is fixed.
You know, it's not yet from last night. The school starts here, guys. Is around 8:15. In Philippines, it's 6:30 a.m. Yeah, here it's 8:15, but still a bit dark because it's winter time. And Francine always wake up before Ella wakes up, so she's the alarm clock for all. But sometimes
for all, it's mainly me who is getting up in the morning.
For Frank, the number. So I gonna finish Ella so she can go now to school. It's really bright outside because it's snowy. Okay. See you later. See you later.
To the 4 first.
Hello guys, naglalaro kami ni Francine. Si Frank nasa check-up nyo guys. Nagpa-CT scan siya sa dito sa part dahil sa long story guys. Andyan si Francine. Naglalaro kaming dalawa. Si Ella andun sa kanyang bedroom. Nag-kuan din, nag-assignment. Hello. Hello. We lay down. Mama lay down too. Mama lay down too. Mincy Wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun. What's this? Okay. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy spider, I get you do. Bam 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 bam. Hello. Aga. Not my hair, baby. Chiki-tiki-tiki-ting. So, inantay namin papa niya. Inantay namin ang papa niya. Wala akong ligo pa, guys. Oy, tugnaw. Tugnaw. It's cold outside. Still snowy, guys. Hindi pa tumitigil yung snow. Oy, hi. Hi, you wanna pup. Hi. Hi. Kush, kush, mama. Kush, kush, mama. Cuddle, cuddle. Cuddle, cuddle. Kush, kush, mama. Cuddle, cuddle. So, around ko na dito guys, 2 p.m. Around almost 3 na. Tapos around 5 or 6, magluluto na naman ako ng dinner. Ginisang kalabasa ang lulutuin ko. Lalagyan ko siya ng, wala akong coconut milk. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng cream. At saka, gigisahin ko ang yung pork na may mataba-taba. Char, parang nag-cooking, na tayo dito tutorial. Gigisahin ko yung taba. Sa totoo lang guys, hindi talaga ako expert magluto. Pagdating ko dito sa Germany, sariling sikap talaga dahil kung hindi ako magluluto, kakain lang ako lagi ng salami dito kung hindi ako magluluto. Kasi ang pagkain nila dito guys, salami, yung mga bread. Hindi sa masyadong kumakain ng rice, pasta. Kaya mga German food talaga, weird food. At saka yung mga pepper, bell pepper na malalaki guys, paprika, huy ginoo ko. Yeah, so later ang lulutuin ko, paplanuhin ko na guys. Gigisahin ko ang kalabasa, gigisahin ko ang pork na may taba-taba. Igigisa ko sa kalabasa. Tama ba? Or ang kalabasa, igigisa ko sa pork na may taba. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng cream. Ewan ko, basta I'll show you later. So, antayin natin. So, we were playing. We continue playing. Let's play. Anak ko, ganahan ko siya diri. Itong carpet talaga, sinadya talaga namin to para lang sa kanya. Very soft siya. Binili talaga to para sa kanyang area niya. Kasi, para hindi siya, guys, para hindi siya lamigin. Yan na. Sugi mo ka. Snack tayo, guys. Here. Pinatingog. Gusto niya ang yogurt. Kakaubos ata to ng isang ganito guys, pero hindi ko inaano kasi baby. I'm finished eating yogurt. Na hello, mama give me yogurt. Mama give me yogurt. Mama give me yogurt.
On? You like?
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Look at that face. That's what I mean. No? You're not on your ear, are you? No salami, just finger.
Up in the sky, what you put you do? So how it is like the scan? When is the result?
Monday next week.
Monday. So we will know if
I'm about to die or not.
Okay, next week the result for his bum scan.
How do you say that?
CT scan.
CT
Scan.
Yeah.
So CT scan thing.
CT scan about the lungs to see the function of my lungs, because I seem to get heavily. I do heavily breathing when I'm, physically active, like running across the street. I would be like.
Like a dog.
It's not good. So.
Like a dog.
Yeah, like a dog. And I'm losing also as much saliva as when seeing a salami. Nah, it's not that bad.
Hello guys, andito ako. Guys, nakatulog ako from 3 p.m. until 7 p.m. Hindi ako ginising ni Frank. Nagnap ako nung dumating siya galing sa laboratory niya, Nagnap ako, sabi ko 1 hour lang, Frank. Wake me up. Nawa, jukugi. Hindi talaga ako ginising, guys. Uy, nakatulog ako. Ngayon lang ako magluluto, guys, ng dinner nila. Nagutom na daw sila. Gigisingin na lang sana nila ako dahil gutom na daw sila. Pero nadinig ko sila. Kaya gumising na ako. Ito na pala yung pumpkin na niluluto ko, guys. Ayun yung pumpkin. At ginisa ko yung pork, guys. Look, so yummy now. Yung pork. At ilalagay ko ang pumpkin. Inaantay ko lang siya ma-fry talaga yung taba, guys, kasi wait, ako nito, inaantay ko lang na ano yung taba para hindi siya fatty, guys. So, luto na yan. Basta i-close natin yung window. Ay, door. Where's Francine? Where's Francine?
Yeah.
Ah, there. Dito pala yung dalawa. Hello! Hello! Say hi! Hi!
And her name?
Jene? Wala, nandyan siya, guys.
I'm working on Afghan helicopters.
And now even babysitting while walking. That's great.
Can I go with you?
Yeah, come here. Sit down here. Sati. Can you close the door? Sinisira ko yung pinto, guys, kasi pag kuan. Umaano sa paligid. Nangangamoy, guys. Nangangamoy. Stay away. Today sa bahay lang ako. Hindi ako lumabas again. Kalimutan ko, wala pala akong rice. Ilagay ko na yung pumpkin and kalabasa. Sabi ni Frank, can you not just make a few pumpkin? Ayaw niya kasi ng kalabasa, guys. Sabi ko, you need pumpkin, uy.
For your outside.
Ayun. Yun, naluto ah. Nilagay ko na yung pumpkin. Ayun siya. Masarap to siya, guys, pag lalagyan ng coconut milk. Kaso wala akong coconut milk, so I'm trying to I will try if anong lasa niya kung lalagyan ko siya ng cream lang, kung walang coconut milk, kung masarap pa. Kasi wala na akong coconut milk, hindi kami nakapunta sa Asian shop. So ayan na siya. Lalagyan ko siya ng cream later pag maluto na siya. Aking chocolate, guys. What happened, Francine? Hello?
It's too big.
Too big? Ate was saying it's like 5 kilo of rice.
Yeah, it's true.
You like pumpkin? Ate Ella?
Oh.
You will love that. Yung what?
Yeah, it is that already though.
Yeah. Kus, mama. And you?
Kus,
Ito, guys,
kus,
hindi to kumakain ng ano, guys.
Cuddle.
Hindi hilig to ng vegetable. Iwan ko tong batang to. Gusto niya mga yogurt, mga fruits puree. Na hello guys.
Hello.
It's Friday tomorrow na, so you have a namoy
Yeah,
kuan?
Cassie.
Namoy simba?
I don't know.
Namoy religion ay sana simba.
Got this Cassie. I don't know.
Hello, Mama is cooking, Papa is working, and Francine is here looking for food. Gutom na ata to. Papakainin ko muna to, guys. I will eat now. I will eat now. Tiyam-tiyam siya sa mga naadirian ng lamisa, pero di man ni mukaon. Dahil may kinaon ani. She likes fruits. Yum fruits. You want fruits?
You want peanut butter?
Nanilok ng peanut butter di isa. Nanilok ng peanut butter.
Dili ka diurut.
Okay.
Dili ka diurut.
Tanaw po isa. I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you again in my next video, and have a good night, everybody. Bye bye.